Why you absolutely must invest in the metaverse. If you don't know what the metaverse is, think of it as a virtual world. There are many types of virtual worlds. Facebook wants to be the biggest one. Say what you will about Facebook's foray into the metaverse, Zuckerberg's move into this space shows that within the big tech juggernauts, this guy is ahead off the curve. The current, most popular ideas of the metaverse we have today could be described simply as a place that one can visit via smart glasses or VR headsets where you find yourself in a computer-generated world. Some fake forest or a beach somewhere or your office. The possibilities are endless, says Guy Janpolsky, chief organizer of the biggest blockchain and NFT event in Gulf, the WOW Summit in the United Arab Emirates. People are going to become addicted to these virtual worlds. And all sorts of nefarious sad things will happen in them, but if I am wrong, maybe I should put some money to work in the meta space. But I don't want to fork over $340 to own a single share of Facebook. There's got to be something better, and of course there is. Blockchain platforms are sprouting up all over the place, designed to be the backbone of their own virtual world, where people play games or whatever, trade NFTs and cryptocurrency. It's a wonder they will ever get off the keyboard. Any company building VR/or technology like Magic Leap, HTC Vive, Varjo, is a metaverse company, says Dimitri Budorin, an advisor for Art Wallet, an NFT marketplace and storage solution. Any company doing psychedelic research or building biohacking or nootropics products that alter your brain chemistry is a metaverse company. Any company merging these two worlds with digital assets is especially a metaverse company. The best way to invest crypto in the metaverse are by buying NFTs, says Mao, which everyone reading this knows to mean non-fungible token. An NFT is usually graphic arts, audio or video clips that give investors the chance to own a virtualized asset on the blockchain.